What's up, guys? Yeah, sorry. I have no voice, so there's not going to be a lot of talking on this episode. Welcome back to another episode of Out of Doors. I am here at the Yellowstone River in Billings, Montana, and I stopped at a little store called Shields. Sorry for my voice cracking. I sound like a 13-year-old boy going through puberty. Stopped at Shields, got a little cheap spinning reel and rod, and a few little lures and stuff, and I'm going to try to catch some trout here in the river, and then if I don't have any luck here, I'm going to switch over to try to catch some bass. They said there's a lot of smallmouth in here, so I'm going to see what happens, and, you know, we'll switch over to the GoPro and see how things go, and if I catch something, we will update you. So, thanks for watching, and let's get fishing. Okay, I'm getting rigged up here. Got a little spinner of the, apparently trout like these. I don't know anything about trout fishing, so I'm just gonna see what I get into here. Got several colors of these, for whatever that's worth. This is just 10-pound test. I would love to hook something bigger than that, but I don't know that I'm going to. And I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on really expensive line, so I'm just gonna, it's kind of a one-time use thing, and I'm sure it'll work out just fine. Hell, who knows what's gonna happen. So now that I'm thinking about it, I might lose some fish this way, but I'm going to mash the barbs down on these hooks, because I'm throwing them all back and I don't need to hurt any fish. Dang it. I thought I had something. Basically all I'm catching. Try something I know. Quick update. Still no voice. Didn't catch anything on the river. And met a guy when I was leaving the river, told me about this pond, so I went to Cabela's and grabbed a couple more lures, and gonna try this out. It's supposed to have smallmouth and largemouth in it, so we'll see what happens. try something new here. This is my new friend. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. From Texas, here in Montana, who's subscribed to my YouTube channel. So thank you, sir. I've screwed around with all this other stuff long enough. Going Texas rigging, see what we get. Bluegill are just all over this thing, but there's lures as big as they are. Alright, it's a quick update. It is 12:30. I haven't caught a damn thing. I am gonna go get something to eat and try a different spot. Tried this little pond. Met a guy from Texas. Thank you for subscribing. I didn't catch your name. I should have done that, but good talking to you. Hope you caught something, because I did not. Yeah, so I've got about three and a half hours left to fish, and I need to get something to eat. And I'm gonna go try the pond by Shields and see if there's anything there. This pond was full of bluegill, tons of them, 2-3 inches long. Fish are probably so full that they don't want to eat anything else. It's also the middle of the day, so not quite optimal for what you're generally wanting to do. I can't talk. I can't talk and I can't talk. It's a double whammy of sucking at vlogging. So, yeah, anyway, middle of the day. I know nothing about the way fish act here. Cabela's, the people at Cabela's and Shields haven't been, they're trying to be helpful, but they weren't super helpful about what lures to use, what colors to use, stuff like that. But I'm figuring it out. I mean, hopefully I'll catch something by the end of the day, but if not, this is beautiful country, and yeah, hopefully my wife is getting hired right now, so we'll see what happens. Catch you guys in a little bit. Here's the new spot. Different spot, that's Shields, by the way. And I'm gonna try this little pond out. Look at that. I don't even know how that happens. Special kind of hippopotamus. Okay, going back to the jig. See what I can make happen, if anything. Wow. Just fucking wow. Someone got some more lures. It really kind of sucks not having all your stuff with you when you go fishing, because you just kind of have to buy all new stuff, and that's no fun. So I've got some Kraken crawls, got some bandito bugs, got a couple of new jigs, and then a bluegill swim bait. Maybe I'll catch something while I'm in Montana. Try this guy out. Well, I caught something. I'm not sure what it was, but I caught something. Oh, that was hilarious. That was recording, right? Okay, cool. Gonna try one more spot on the river, see how that goes, and if it doesn't work out well here, then I gotta cut out and go home. Not home, but back to the hotel to go have dinner. So, see what happens. Hopefully we catch something. Okay, so my friend that I met earlier today said that trout are lazy and they like shallow, calm pools in the river. So he told me about this place. I'm gonna see what I can get down here. No promises, but hopefully I'll catch trout, catch something. Other than that one little dinker that I barely kind of snagged on the way, or barely snagged out by Shields. So, don't that pretty? Okay, back on the Yellowstone. So I obviously have a lot to learn about fishing in Montana, but that's okay. If we do decide to move here, I will likely make friends with people who know how to fish, and they can show me the ropes. I'll obviously learn to fly fish. I just wasn't gonna burn a day trying to do that, and that'd be the only thing I get done. Would have made for an interesting video, but it's not like I could have talked to you much about it, is it? But I gotta head back to the hotel and get ready for dinner. Crowd wife should be back, done with her interview and all that stuff, and just, I mean, look at this place. Yeah, I might get to live here, and that's wild to me. This place is amazing. Thank you for watching. I know I didn't really do anything. Tried to do stuff, didn't work out, but that is life in the outdoors. You don't always catch things, you don't always shoot things. It's a learning experience, and this was definitely a learning experience, but I saw some beautiful scenery, spent the entire day outdoors, and that's a win for me, and my wife probably has a new job. So if you guys like the video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing if you would. There's going to be more stuff. I mean, come on, if I move here, there's going to be all sorts of stuff, but we've still got all outdoor season in Oklahoma to go yet. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. If there's anything you'd like to see me do next, definitely hit me up and let me know, and I'll consider doing it. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.